Action SA campaign tour included going from yard to yard, listening to challenges faced by Ward 51 residents.
I just want to know what's wrong. Yeah? No. I just want to know what you need to forum so bantengisela umsebenzi okay nane lo hulumeni unenzela ntoni nifuna ntoni
sifuna umsebenzi
nantoni
sifuna asilungisene latha nendlela sifuna lezindlu wetani because iqoshile irent esibulala yo sifuna lezindlu ngoba sasibhalisa phana
sithi bhatala amanenda ngoba yabona kunemkhukhu engapha yonke lemkhukhu idonsa ugesi la endlini that is why it's the power 1 2 3 4 so lemkhukhu yonke idonsa ugesini wala ngene
wendine yi1 yebo
angenihlale ningabi nepower fail ayasha ama transform ayasha ama transform uyazwa ayasha ama transform overloaded. I think into engcono engabenza ukuthi mhlawumbe umasipala increase capacity but it's fine. I just wanted to know my challenges. The view by crime, imisebenzi
Izikipa ziyathengiswa. Anisiphe.
Nezindlu.
Asisibethanga nje namhlanje nizoba nazo nizonipha.
Hey umnandi ukhuluma isiXhosa.
Umnandi isiXhosa.
Ewe.
Ewe. Sithatha ama-chance.